In Spain, words have roots and they tell a story. They are not just vocabulary. They are like a little window into our way of life. I was born here in Barcelona, and today I'm going to share 5 words that explain who we are. And they are not just words that we translate into English. They tell the story of how we live. The first word is alegría. Alegría means joy, and not just any joy. It's that contagious happiness that you feel in the streets, in our music, in our way of celebrating life. When someone says, "Qué alegría verte," it means, "I am so happy to see you." Alegría is the spirit of Spain, finding the beauty in the ordinary and smiling even when life gets complicated. The next word is corazón. Corazón means heart, and we use it a lot in Spain. We say mi corazón to someone we love. We even say gracias corazón to a stranger. Thank you, sweetheart. It's our way of expressing affection, connection, and humanity. And the next word, familia. If there is one word that defines us, that is familia. In Spain, familia doesn't just mean relatives, it means belonging. Your friends, your neighbors, people you meet down the street every morning, at the cafe, they become tu familia. In Spain, we believe that life makes more sense when it's shared. The next word is la calle, the street. La calle is where life happens, is where you meet your friends, your neighbors, you chat with the baker, you see kids playing football. We don't just live inside our homes, we live outside in community. La calle is the heartbeat of our cities. And finally, raíz, root, or raíces, roots. It reminds us of where we belong, where we come from. It reminds us of our history, our traditions, our culture. Every Spaniard carries with their roots, raíces, in their accent, in their food, in their story. And no matter where we go, we will always find our way back home. So, alegría, corazón, familia, calle, raíz. 5 simple words, but together they tell the story of Spain. We live with emotion, with connection, with community. And that's what makes Spanish such a beautiful language. It's not just words, it's a way of life. Gracias for watching. Which one of these words do you feel connected to? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you want more stories like this to keep learning Spanish, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.